Hey guys, I wanted to come on real brief and just do an opening video and let you know what I just received in the mail. This is the mail I got today. It's from a vendor that I use, which a lot of people use the same vendor. It's TKB Trading. I ordered a lot of my products from there, and I just got it in today, and I'm excited. And I'm gonna open it up and show y'all what I got. So give me a second so I can cut it open. Let me show y'all what I got. Most of it is, well, all of it's from TKB Trading, and I just got it in today, and I'm excited because I wanted to try to do something. I need to update my formula for my lip glosses, and I would like to do that this week, so I'm so glad this came in today. So basically, I got my measuring spoons, and I'm real excited about that because that'll help me be a little more accurate with my measurements. I got some spatulas because I couldn't find these anywhere. So I said I'll go ahead and order from TKB Trading. I am going to try to go online to Amazon, see if they got a bigger quantity. But right now, this will hold me over for what I need to do. I got a color wheel. Even though I'm a hairstylist, you still need a refresher. So I got a color wheel. And it's supposed to help you with mixing guide, which it does. Because you can use this for hair, which a lot of this I know, but hey, it doesn't help. It helps to have one of these around because we have one in our color books at work too, so it helps. I also got the liquid lippy liquid to help. They say the liquid is a little more pigmented than the actual micas and the powders and the glitters. So I wanted to try the liquid and see how that does. And I got the natural colors. So I'm hoping this is going to be awesome. What else did I get? I got a whole bunch of different pigments and glitters, and I'll open that up in a minute. I got a bag of gloss based Versagel, which is the 5.5 ounce bag, which I'm gonna probably next time I place an order with them, depending on how soon I order, because I do need to order one more thing or a couple more things from them, but I don't need it right this very second. But I may order the larger bag from them, or I may just order it from Amazon because they got like 4 that you can order in this size, and it's like $20-something. It's like $25, I think. I also ordered this, which is a silicone mat with the measurements. I don't really need the measurements right now, but I got the mat to protect my table because this mat is basically, it's silicone and you can wipe it off and you can get mess all over it. So I made a complete mess last time when I was doing the testers, which I'm still doing a couple of testers because, reformulation. And I used pretty much almost a whole roll of paper towels protecting my table. So I said this time I'm going to go ahead and purchase this. And this is reusable. All you have to do is wipe it off and clean it. So definitely going to use this. That's going to come in handy. So let's go ahead and look at the pigments that I ordered and talk about those for a brief moment. I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I'm going to just make this kind of quick. So I'm going to go through the pigments, and that'll probably be it. So give me a second so I can open up the bag. Okay, here are the pigments. I'm going to show these to you. Let's see. Because I ordered a bunch of them. This one is glitter. It's like a glitter sheen. We're going to see how that goes. I wanted it, but I didn't want it. And then I got the holographic one, which I'm looking forward to. And I got the blue shade oxide, which I'm kind of looking forward to. Let's see, what else did I get? I got the rose glitter, which I thought was real, real pretty. And unfortunately, my camera is not doing it justice, but it's a real pretty color. It's kind of pinky rose color. And then I got the sparkle rose, which I love. It puts me in the mind of rose gold, which is like a real pretty color to me. So I wanted to definitely get this. And this one's Scorpio the 8th, which is nice. It's a very different color. It's really odd. It's like almost mauvey with an undertone of orange. I don't know, and rose. And then I got this, the silver white, which I thought was nice. And I got Icicle, which I was looking at doing this. I should have ordered this the first time I said the Blue Sparkle. The Blue Sparkle was nice, but it wasn't enough. So I got the Icicle this time and see how that's going to go. And then I purchased the Soft Mauve. So I'm kind of excited. So hopefully I will be able to go ahead and get started getting things taken care of. Oop, I'll pick that up in a second. But hopefully I can go ahead and finish up some things I'm working on right now. And I can go ahead and start doing some reformulating and creating some glosses for to test out and see how they look and stuff. So I will talk to you later, and I may try to tape that or video of that, maybe. So we'll see. Talk to you later. Bye.